What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today I'm very excited to introduce you guys a brand new product. It's a micro power amplifier for your non-JBL Toyota models, the current generation. So this includes from 2019 to current models. And it's a plug and play installation that plugs it behind your radio. And depending on how much room you have either behind your radio or somewhere else in your vehicle, you can easily route this and mount it inside your car because the amplifier is just so small. And we were able to put in a lot of high quality parts in this small box here. So very excited, and it improves the sound of your quality. This is really good, especially for you guys without the factory JBL system. So let me show you how easy this installation is and how much of a difference it makes. So let's go inside the car and get started. All right guys, before we start this, let me show you what's inside here, okay? I'm going to open this up. So we got some harness. Alright, here it is. And we got our micro power amplifier here. And let me show you how this connects. This is all going to be plug and play. Basically, the high frequency signals from the radio is going to connect to this and then connect to your speakers. So let me show you how this connects. There's a black connector here. It'll connect to this harness, just like so. And then we have this gray connector here, next to this gray plug here. Make sure this battery cable here is very secure here. This do tend to pop out. And on top of that, you have this other smaller connector here. These are your speaker connectors. And then all we have to do is daisy chain the factory connector and also ground this connection over here to the side of the bracket. So, okay, once you get in the vehicle, all you need is a thick towel here to catch the radio. We also need a panel removal tool to remove this, and a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts that's holding it down. Okay, so simply come over here and then just pry this up just like that. And once you get enough space to put your finger under it, go ahead and do that, and just go ahead and pry it. Okay, just like that, and that will expose 4 10mm bolts there. One, 2, and we got 2 more on the other side, so I'm going to walk over to the other side of the car. Okay, so once that's removed, all you have to do is pull this out just like that. And then we're going to place this thick blanket right under it like so. This car already has our foam mirroring kit installed, but I believe this is the connector that I'm going to be working with. Go ahead and disconnect this. Okay, and then go ahead and connect the other side of the connector into here. All right, and since everything else is already connected, we are good to go. And then this ground wire, we'll go ahead and just loosen this over here and then fasten it, and we're going to secure this right here. It's an 8mm socket to remove that. Okay, so we're going to attach this right here. Alright. And then the RAV4s actually have tons of room back here. So we will be able to just fit this right behind the radio. Oh, by the way, this side here is left disconnected. These are additional low-level inputs if you ever want to attach anything with RCA outs. Let me go ahead and see if I can organize these cables before I put it in like this. Okay, I'll go ahead and get some zip ties. Alright, that's it. Now we're going to carefully mount it behind the radio. A lot of room. Could literally just put it in there anywhere. Okay, what I'm gonna do is get some piece of double-sided tape and I'm going to tape it down the panel up there. Alright, and after we get the box secured, just go ahead and just carefully place your radio back in place. Just like so. Before we do this, go ahead and test to make sure everything's okay. Alright, there's some sound, which is good.
VIP subscription. Be a VIP.
Alright, sweet.
Call 844-711-8800 to learn.
Looks like everything's working. Now let me go ahead and just put everything back to where it is. Alright guys, well this was a very super easy install. You probably could do it yourself in like 10 minutes as long as you have the correct tools. Very quick way to improve your sound system on the non-JBL Toyota models from 2019 to current. If you have any questions, drop a line below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and like our video as well. Thank you very much. So how do you rate? How much more difference?
Maybe 40% off.
40%
Yeah.
Oh, so big difference.
Yeah, it's big difference.
Oh wow.
The bass?
Yeah.
The bass is clear.
Oh,
This I like that.
much more clear than
Yeah.
before.
Yeah,
Ah.
I like that.
Very clean. Super clean.